In the following diagram, P is the point 0, 4, and Q is the point -4, 0, and O is the origin. So we have the diagram here, and the question is find the equation of a straight line that passes through the origin O, which is perpendicular to the line PQ. So this is a very tricky question, but very simple. Remember, we are not finding the equation of the line PQ, but a line which is perpendicular to PQ and it passes at O. So let me draw this kind of a line. This line will look like this. Okay. It will look like that, right? So it passes at the origin and it is perpendicular. So perpendicular means that it meets the line PQ at 90 degrees. So the key thing is, one, we need to know the slope of the line PQ, which will help us to find the slope of this new line. So if M1 is the slope of the line PQ and M2 is the slope of the perpendicular line, then their product, is equal to -1. Okay. So on the left here, I will write, the slope of M1, which will be equal to formula for the slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let us make this the coordinate at Q be the one coordinates and the point at P be the second coordinate. So this is equal to, so y2 in P here is 4, right, minus y1, that is from Q, that is 0, then divided by the x coordinate at P is 0, minus the x coordinate at Q is -4, so this becomes +4. So you can see that this is just, 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. Okay, so since M1 multiply M2 is -1, then we are saying that M2 will be equal to -1 over M1, which is equal to -1 over 1, right, which is just -1. Okay, so just to recap here, what we did, we first of all found the slope or the gradient of the line PQ, which is +1. Okay, then since we are looking for the equation of the straight line which passes through the origin and perpendicular to the line PQ, so since the line is perpendicular to PQ, its gradient is just -1 over the gradient of PQ, and the gradient of PQ is 1, so the gradient of the line perpendicular to PQ will be -1. Okay, if that is clear, then we can go ahead and use our formula. So the formula for the equation of a straight line is given by y minus, y1 is equal to m, which is the slope, then x minus x1. Okay, we are going to use, the coordinate at the origin because this line passes at the origin. So at the origin, x is 0 and y is 0. So our line becomes y minus y1 is 0 is equal to m, the gradient is -1, right? Then x minus 0. We can just expand this, so y is equal to -x. Okay? So the equation of the line passing through the origin perpendicular to PQ is the line y is equal to -6. And we are done. Like and subscribe.